Hothead, Unraveled, understanding its meaning. Hello learners! Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might come across in various situations. Hothead. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it in a sentence. Hothead is a noun in the English language. When we refer to someone as a hothead, we're saying that they're impulsive, often acting without thinking. They might be easily angered or prone to reacting aggressively or emotionally to situations. For example, be careful when discussing politics with Mike. He's a bit of a hothead. Sarah is such a hothead. She gets upset over the smallest things. The phrase, hothead, comes from the literal combination of hot and head. Historically, having a hot head was associated with being passionate, fiery, or easily angered. Over time, this term evolved into a more figurative sense to describe someone with a quick temper. Now that you know the meaning, let's look at how to use hothead in a sentence. Remember, it's used to describe someone, so it usually acts as a noun. 1. You need to calm down and think rationally. Don't be such a hothead. 2. I tried to avoid arguing with him because he's a hothead and takes things personally. 3. If you know someone's a hothead, it's best to approach disagreements with them calmly and diplomatically. And there you have it. Now you understand the phrase, hothead, and can confidently use it in your conversations. We hope this explanation was clear and helpful. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video.